Today, we'll focus on the SAP migration from ECC to S4, which is what I think we frequently hear from our clients that that's the need clients have. Build a shell of S4HANA on the right-hand side, and then we bring in the Haneya brings in the all the custom code, all the configurations from ECC, as well as data, masters and transactions. It has a staging area capability, as you can see, where it does the little bit of cleansing. It does the data dialysis, some scrubbing, make sure the files are in the right format. Then it goes to its mapping and transformation engine. It transforms and maps those configurations, custom code, the masters and transactions into S4HANA formats, and then it starts uploading into the S4HANA system. The unique part of this solution is as it goes into S4, all the custom code may not work because the programming standards have changed, the ABAP programming standards. So it will hanify and remediate the custom code, all the custom code objects to fit into S4HANA model. It also takes the configurations, make sure that configuration is transformed or mapped into the S4HANA models. So is the data masters and transactional map. For example, the GLs became the universal ledgers in S4HANA, it will map and transform it. The customers became the BPs, it will map and transform it. While there is a conversion migration activity, in this solution, it also includes the remediation and a hanification activity as well, and transformation mapping, so that the objects we convert from ECC, they work efficiently and effectively within S4HANA. So this is our tool, Haneya tool. We have a number of modules within it, but today we'll focus on the migration module and the Haneya Greenfield migration. So the first radio button talks about Greenfield migration here. As we execute that button, we will bring in convert migration by either by company code or by process at a plant, so on and so forth. But we will show you the process first. We can migrate by process, like the RTR, which is the finance process, ATR, asset to retire, the controlling process, OTC, and all the logistical process here. We can sequence these processes as we do Greenfield. We'll convert and migrate RTR process first, followed by other business processes. So we'll execute RTR process. And as you can see here, we'll bring in for that process all the configuration, custom code, masters, transactions, security roles from ECC into S4HANA, along with the transformation mapping. Those will come and sit in within S4. Typically, if it is a historical data, we will archive it, but all other data elements will come in. We can also bring in by company code, as you can see here. A specific company code also we can extract from ECC and migrate and convert it to S4HANA. Soon we convert it, then we do the custom code hanifications. We'll show you that. As you see here, custom code hanification, any custom code that comes in need to be remediated and hanified. We do that. There's a technical remediation, there's tables and serious views remediation, transaction code remediation. Then we'll also do the process remediation, which involves the configurations that brought in from ECC are mapped and transformed to S4HANA standards. As you see there by various business processes you can do, starting with the finance, all those configuration mapped and transformed. And we can also do the data remediations. As you see here, master data remediation, we can do that. We can do security roles. So all the master data that brought in will remediate it. All the security roles we bring in from ECC, we remediate them and update the authorization objects and the security roles. Finally, this will allow us the conversion from ECC to S4 using Greenfield, zero downtime conversion, which means that there is no disruption to the client's business. While the ECC runs all the way to midnight of the S4HANA conversion, and S4HANA takes over the midnight. So it helps with the zero downtime conversion.